We have made significant progress in this module on using charts in Looker Studio. In this class, we will learn how to use the so-called gauge chart. This chart is another tool that allows us to bring aggregates of our metrics. However, it is used to establish an indicator or target to measure their performance. To use it, you already know the process. We select Add a Chart and then choose Gauge. In this case, the chart shows the metric of total users, which is ideal for developing the example. In fact, it works well with any metric. What's interesting about this chart are the configurations we can make regarding the ranges we want to display. To do this, select the chart and go to the Style section. In the Range Limits option, we can add different numeric ranges. I will add the first one and set it to 50,000. Once I set it, notice how the chart is shaded in that range, which aims to allow us to visually establish the performance levels of our metric. Now, I will add another range and set it to 71,000. See how they are delineated within the chart. The goal is for us to visualize one or more control zones. We can change the colors of those ranges so that they are clearer. I will select a bright color to make it easy to distinguish. At the beginning, I mentioned that this chart is used not only to establish ranges, but also to set a target against the metric we are working with. To do this, in the same Style section, I will go to the Target option and check the box Show Target. Once this is done, a box is enabled where we can set the desired target. I will designate it as 60,000. Now, when we approach the chart, we will not only see the ranges we previously established, but also the target. Now, we will work with another variation of this type of chart. We add a new chart and select Gauge with Ranges. This chart is basically the same as the previous one, but it comes with some preset ranges by default. I invite you to explore this chart with other metrics to practice its use. See you in the next class.